Hi guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas, and in today's video I'm doing a highly requested crimped wavy hairstyling tutorial that you guys have all been asking for on Instagram. So I've been wearing this hairstyle for a couple of months now, I think either months or weeks, and I've been posting it on Instagram. I'll insert some clips here so you guys can see how I've worn it, and I've been loving it for a little switch up from curly and straight. So I'm finally getting around to the tutorial today, and I'm excited to tell you guys that I've partnered up with Eva Nyc for this video, and the giveaway for today's 12 days of giveaways is going to be a really awesome package from Eva Nyc. So if you don't know, they are one of my favorite hair brands. I've been using their products literally forever, like since I was in college, and I truly love them. They're so amazing. If you guys have tried them, you know what I'm talking about. So for the giveaway, we will be giving away all of these pieces that I used to create today's look and that you guys can use to create this look too. So for starters, we have the Clean It Up shampoo, and I love using this shampoo when my hair is extra dirty, like when I haven't washed it for a while, which is a lot of the time, or when I've done a look that has a ton of product in it and I just need to sort of deep clean it and get it feeling all nice and fresh. So I love this. It smells amazing. It makes your hair feel so soft, as does all of their shampoos. And for the conditioner that I use with that, I use this Therapy hair mask, and it's a little bit more intense than a normal conditioner. Obviously it's a mask, so I like to use this with that and treat these as sort of a nice little indulgent hair washing session, not my everyday. So that will be included in the giveaway. And then this 10-in-1 Main Magic Primer. So I use this on my hair when it's wet or damp when I get out of the shower, and right before I blow dry. I just spritz it all over and it gets it nice and ready for all of the heat styling that I'm about to do. And I love this entire line. The 10-in-1 Main Magic is so good. This shampoo and conditioner is the one that I use pretty much every day. So love that. And then for styling tools, we have this mini blow dryer, which is not only the cutest thing ever, but it also works so well. So I love bringing this on trips, obviously, because it's super convenient, and it even comes with a little travel pack, and then it has in here 2 nozzles. So for like the curly hair or the straight hair nozzle, and it is small but mighty. Like, it works really well. It's very powerful. So I love this little thing. And then the star of the show for this style is this mini styling iron. So this is the Healthy Heat styling iron, and it really is amazing. It's so small, which is adorable, obviously, but it works super well. So I love this little guy, and it's what I use to create this look. So yeah, the winner of the giveaway will get all of these things, which are part of the Eva Nyc Target collection. So you guys can always check them out at Target. And the rules to enter this giveaway is to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, thumbs up on this video, and then comment a hairstyle that you would like to see a tutorial for in 2020 on my channel. And then also be sure to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, and also follow Eva Nyc. So once you do all of those things, you will be entered into the giveaway. And for bonus points, you can enter again by doing a little story on your Instagram of Vlogmas or the giveaway or anything like that, and I will enter your name in again. And I'm out of breath. And you can enter pretty much until Christmas time, and I will announce a winner shortly thereafter. So keep entering all month long, and I'm really excited for one of you to get this package of Eva Nyc goodies, because I promise you will love them and you can create this fun hair. So other than that, we will just get into the tutorial and I'll show you guys how I did this. So I'm gonna use a clip like this to sort of section my hair off. You can do this hairstyle with your hair straight, blow dried, curled, natural texture, whatever, and I think it will work. It works for me in any of those. You can do it pretty much with any texture of hair, because what you're doing is just like shaping the pieces of hair with the iron, so it's really easy to do over like any current texture that you've done, like previous styling. So it's really easy to do this over any previous sort of styling or no styling. So what you're gonna do is just take small sections and take this little baby iron, and I like to start curled in and then curled out. So curled in, curled out, curled in, and then at the ends I usually just leave it straight like that. And yeah, it's pretty much what I'm going to do to the rest of my head. And since my hair is really short, I don't do necessarily the entire bottom layer since it's kind of like covered by the rest of my hair anyways, and it's very difficult to get a styling tool on those hairs because they are so short. So I'm just gonna go through basically the middle to top half of my hair. And then whenever I want to get to another layer, I'll just section off more of my hair with the clip. So just keep taking pretty small sections, going under, over, under, over, straight. And you push down pretty hard when you do this hairstyle just to sort of solidify that shape. So don't be afraid. And sometimes it helps when doing this hairstyle to hold the piece that you're crimping sort of taut, so like tugging on it at the bottom just to get the resistance that you need to create the wave. And you can also pretty much do whatever size sections you want. You can make them a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. It doesn't really matter. It might create a little bit of a different look, but it works either way. And I love this hairstyle for the holidays because I feel like it's fun and you can also do a lot with it. So it creates a lot of volume and texture in your hair, which is so good for all kinds of looks. So you can wear that just down and it's super cute and like flirty, or it's really fun to do like updos with. I'll put some pictures of how I've styled it, like from my Instagram up, so you know, with like a headband or a little updo bun or something. I think it's super fun, and it wears really well on day 2 and day 3 as well. When I'm wearing it on a second day or whatever, I usually have to add in a couple more crimps just to make it look more defined and fresh around my face usually, but generally speaking it stays pretty good overnight. So I really like that you can wear it. You can get a lot of use out of it. I like to brush the sections that I'm going to be crimping just to like smooth them out and make sure they're nice and ready. So if you sectioned this off with like a hairband or did it section by section, it would probably be cleaner and easier, but this is honestly the way I always do it, just sporadically. I'm showing you guys the truth. And then I always go over some pieces too if I feel like they didn't get enough bend to them. So you can always do that as well. So as you guys can see, this is kind of what one side looks like versus the side that's not done. So this has a lot more volume and texture just naturally from the styling. I haven't like teased it or added hairspray or anything, so that is really nice and I love that. And I didn't even do most of this bottom layer, so you can get a ton of volume out of this, which we love. And like I said, you can go through and sort of fine-tune pieces if you need to, make them a little more defined. I usually like to do the ones around my face a second time, make it a little more defined. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this side. So I'll show you guys the process again, just for extra practice, but it's pretty easy. Alright, so this is pretty much the finished look. It's nice and fluffy, voluminous, and now you can do whatever you want to style it up with a little updo or a headband, a hair accessory, anything like that is super fun. And I'm just gonna add in some dry shampoo for a little bit of added texture and volume. So I'm gonna use the Eva NYC Tone It Up Dry Shampoo. I use this every week, almost daily, even when my hair is clean, because I just like the texture and volume. So I'm just gonna put some in my roots. And then we're good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. I know you've been requesting it, so I'm glad we finally got it up, and I would love to see you guys recreating this look. So if you do, be sure to tag me on Instagram and be sure to enter the giveaway so you can win all of these amazing Eva NYC things, and I will see you in my next video.